Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making clarified butter, also known as a Desi Ghee. So we're using here 4 pounds of butter. I got the regular brand. It's a butter, not margarine. It's a butter, salted sweet cream butter, which is this is a 4-ounce stick, and I'm using 16 of those, which is 4 pounds. For that you need a little spoon, and I'm using a knife, not like sharp knife but regular knife, because I'm gonna take out every single thing. So you just peel it and just keep putting in there. So let me finish all those 16 cubes, then I will be back. Alright, let's turn on I put all the cubes in there after remove from the package. I don't know why I got the cubes, but I usually get the 1 brick. Let's turn on the stove. And I will do for high for a little bit. Once it starts boiling, I will do to medium or a little bit lower than medium, so it can cook nicely, not burn. Because if you have the high heat, it's gonna burn in no time. Like, you will turn your back and you'll see it's all black. So please careful about that. Alright, it's almost 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Now see all the foamy thing is going away, and I'm gonna wait still. Now it's settled. So we have to be cooked more until all the liquid is disappear. So we have to be just wait for that point when we can just see only clarified butter, not a foam on it or in it. It is still bubbling, and I'm waiting for until whole foam is disappear, or it's turned little darker brown, not like really dark, but you'll see it. I will show you, because if this foam or liquid stays in, it's gonna spoil your butter at no time. It can get a mold or whatever, but if this whole foam is disappear and then your butter is totally clear, that way you can store this butter even outside the fridge. I'm not like touching it, I'm standing by so it won't be burning. So I don't want to leave. If you are making a purified butter, don't leave it alone, because you don't know what can happen. So if it's a little overcooked, it's gonna be making like your whole butter gonna be go wrong. I'm checking to see the color of the butter, not like trying to stir it, just checking color. So I'm still waiting on this brownish foam on the top. It's gonna turn a little bit more darker. At this point, usually I turn off the stove, but I'm gonna let it cook a little more. I'm checking it and I'm making adjustment in the heat. It seems like it's brown, but it's not the point where I want it. Now I can smell it. I am going to turn off the heat here. So I'm gonna turn off the heat, and seems like it's good. Now it's gonna be get it all on the top, so we can see it. This whole foam thing is gonna be on the top. It's still cooking because I did not put it away from the heat. It's still on the hot stove, but I turn off the heat. I'm not gonna strain it right away. We're gonna let it sit for a little longer so it can be cooled down. So now it seems like all done. It's a little bit cold. It's not totally cold, but I'm gonna pour into the jar, because if it's solid, then I won't be able to put it in there. Very gently. It's really hot, and like not too hot, but yeah, it still can burn you. So you gently pour in here. Did you see this? This is what you want. This is 64-ounce jar. It's 1500 ml. So you don't have to worry about this little bubble in there, but if you want to, you can just pick it up and put it away. You can put it in the refrigerator if you wanted, but I let it sit on the countertop. I forget to tell you, I put the lid on it, but you should not, because then they're gonna leave water. You can use it as it is, or you can wait for until solid. You can make cookies with it. You can do many things. Basically that's it, and I can show you the final after it's solid. Here is our clarified butter, purified butter or ghee is ready to go, and it's all done. You can leave in the fridge or you can leave outside the fridge, and I don't do that, so except you. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comment below how your ghee turned out. I will happy to answer if you have any question. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in next video.